Hello friends, this is a part 3 of this video series, how to set up and access the VPS server. So without wasting any more time, let us start our tutorial. I am starting the tutorial from where we have left it on the second part. So now let's click on Manage. This takes us to Create your server page. Now here it says Server Credentials. Basically in this page we have to fill up the information which is required by the automated system which will create a virtual server for us. So the first thing we have to enter is the server name. The server name can be any name of your choice. I have entered ITZOZ Sachin. Now enter the username. It should be 5 to 12 characters. In the username box I have entered my name, which is Sachin.Samy. Now let's enter the password in the password box. Password is very secret, so I'm not going to tell you the password. After you have entered the password, enter the same password in the confirm password box. Now the password has been confirmed. Next is to select the data center. Currently there is only North American data center is available. There are also Europe and Asia data center which are coming soon. Now let's move down. Operating system. Here we still have a choice to select the operating system. Currently Windows Server 2008 R2 is selected. We are going to select Windows Server 2012 R2. After the selection of the server, let's click on Create Server. By clicking on the Create Server, we are sending a request to automated system to create a server with the following configuration. So now here you can see the OS is Windows, name is not given, IP address is still awaiting, status in progress, memory 2 GB, 40 GB of disk space, and North America region. Now the OS and the server name is showing. The name of the server which we have given is ITZOZ Sachin. The server setup is still in progress. Over here it says less than 15 minutes remaining. So what I am going to do is I am going to pause the video and resume it once it is completed. Just hold on for a second. After 3 minutes the progress is going to be completed. Here we go. As you can see, the status of our server is live. Now let's click on ITZOZ Sachin, that is a server name. Now we are on the server page. If you see on the left hand side, it is showing us the status and the usage of CPU, disk space and RAM usage. Next is there are 3 buttons: Power, Access and Settings. Below this you can see recent request you have made. In the details section it will show you the server details, and the most important is the IP address of our server. Above that the username, then the OS, that is Windows Server 2012, the region is North America and the plan is self-managed. Now if you click on the backup, in our plan this is not included. In the request tab it will show us the request which we have made. Now let's click on the power button. Here you can see the power is on and there are no issues. If you click on the restart button, the server will restart. Now let us click on access button. From here you can change the administrative password of your VPS. Now let's click on the settings tab. Here there are 3 options. You can change the host name from here. Also you can change the server name. The last option is OS, destroy and rebuild. If you click on this option and confirm, your current copy of the server will be destroyed and it will create a new copy of the server. Now as you have seen the overview of the server panel, let's connect to our VPS server using remote desktop. Let's move down from the details panel, copy the IP address of the server. Okay, right click and copy. Let's minimize the Chrome browser. From the keyboard press Windows plus R. This will open a run dialog box. Here type mstsc. This will open up a remote desktop connection window. Paste the IP address of your server over here. Now click on show options. Okay. Now in the username box type the username of your server. In my case it is Sachin.Samy. Now click on connect. This will open up a security window. If you want, you can click on remember my credentials so that you don't have to enter the password every time when you connect to the VPS server. Now enter the password and click OK. On the certificate warning window, click yes. This will take few seconds to connect to the server. Now we are connecting to the server for the first time. So it can take more than 30 seconds before the server desktop will appear. I have paused the video and resumed it so that you don't have to wait for long. As usual, you can see the server manager has opened automatically as it is a default behavior in Windows Server 2012. Let me minimize the server manager. Now click on Windows and this PC. From here we can see the disk space which is available for us. Right click on the C drive and click on Properties. Here you can see the total disk space is around 40 gigabyte and the used space is around 18 gigabytes, which includes the operating system, and the free space is around 21 gigabytes. Now let's close this. Go to this PC, right click and click on Properties. From here you can see the configuration of this server. This has 2 gigabytes of RAM, 64-bit operating system with the processing speed of 2.4 GHz. Now let's open the Task Manager. On the Task Manager, click on More Details. Then select Performance tab. From here you can see the actual CPU usage of the server. Close the Task Manager and let's close all other things which we have opened. And also let us disconnect from the VPS server. Click on the cross sign to disconnect. It will show you a warning. Just click OK. So it completes our this tutorial. Hello friends, thank you for watching our this video tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to receive an email update whenever we post a new video. Share it with your technical IT friends. If you are facing any technical problem or have any suggestions, post your comment here or catch me on Google+, Hangout, Facebook, Twitter and Skype. This video tutorial is presented by Sachin.Samy powered by itcoz.com and you are watching this video on YouTube channel Peter Kreis.